this is my sister Erich, and today we are going to make a lava lamp. All we need are
water.
our 1 cup of water,
1 cup and water.
food coloring, glass,
And a glass.
2 glass,
That's
baby oil,
baby oil.
and antacid. First, we're going to put the food coloring inside the water.
Yeah.
2.
Help.
Add more, Erich.
And more for me too. I need it.
Press it, Erich. Squeeze it, squeeze. Squeeze, Erich.
I think I'm gonna need 1 more because it turned pink earlier.
Yeah.
I just added 2 drops again.
Is that good now?
Almost. Just
Oh.
1 more.
Oh, it's flashing. Flashing number.
Now we're going to transfer the water into the glass. That's why I don't want to spill. Just do that.
What is good? There.
Now we're going to put the baby oil inside the glass.
What's this? Put the baby oil. Baby oil. Baby oil. See that? Water.
Now we'll put the antacid. Which one? You're not doing one. Can I do it?
What's going on, Erich?
Just bubbles.
There's bubbles. Whoa!
Acid. Acid.
What's happening?
The bubble.
Is it fun?
Yeah! Let's do it. Mine is more. Wow, mine is bigger.
Thank you. Thank you. What we do?
Do it now, Evans. Do it. Do it.
See what?
I see the bubbles coming out. It's coming up again. Everyone's gonna do it at the same time. I'm just gonna
What's this?
mix mine into there. Let's do it. I'm ready. I'm gonna put 1 by 1.
red.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
I hope you liked my video.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe. Bye.
There's Erich.
You put a lot of yours in the row. Erich put 5 now.
One memories.
Is it cool, guys?
Yeah.
Cool.
It's cool.
Me too.
Please like and subscribe.